If you're experiencing FPS drops while gaming and you're using the NVIDIA app, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick method that can help improve your gaming performance. First, go to your desktop and right-click on an empty space. From the menu, choose Show More Options and then click on NVIDIA Control Panel. You can also open it by clicking on the Start menu, typing NVIDIA Control Panel, and launching it from there. Once the control panel opens, look at the menu on the left side and click on Manage 3D Settings. Then switch to the Global Settings tab. Now, scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and set it to Disabled. After that, click Apply at the bottom of the window. Next, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA, and launch the official NVIDIA app. Inside the app, you will see the driver section on the left side. Click on it and download the latest driver by pressing the download button. Once the download is complete, install the driver on your system. After installing it, open the Start menu again and search for Disk Cleanup. Launch the application and click on Clean Up System Files. Scroll down until you find DirectX Shader Cache. Make sure the box next to it is checked, then click OK and select Delete Files. Once the cleanup process is finished, go back to the NVIDIA Control Panel. Find Shader Cache Size again, open the drop-down menu, and this time set it to Driver Default. Then click Apply. Finally, restart your computer one more time. After the restart, your system should run smoother and the FPS drops during gaming should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.